this event has been really great, and I got to meet a lot of other founders and small business owners who've been using WhatsApp for several purposes.
So this was the fourth edition of WOW, and Ahmedabad edition was really great. Got to learn a lot many things from colleagues who are other D2C founders, and also some guys from the agency side as well.
And this was our first time with WhatsApp on Wheels for Interact, and we have been using Interact for a long time now, and we love the product.
Yeah, the whole experience was very insightful, and we got to learn a lot of things.
And so it was a good jamming session with a lot of brands, their owners, founders, and a lot of people who are within the D2C industry.
So it was a great event because a lot of D2C founders from Ahmedabad were part of it. One thing I really observed interestingly was not only D2C founders, there are a lot of other businesses who were very curious about how they can leverage WhatsApp for business, and they were part of it.